Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to run PHP files on your local host. So now to run PHP files on your local host, first thing that you need to do is you need to install Xampp. So first you need to go to your favorite browser and to type over here Xampp download. So that will show you this apachefriends.org. Go to their official site of Xampp. Here you need to download latest version of Xampp, that is version 8.2.12. Just click on this download button and it's going to start downloading Xampp automatically. So if you switch to previous tab, you are going to see it going to download within 5 seconds. So here is our Xampp rightly started downloading. I have already downloaded it, that's why I'm going to cancel this. I need to go to my download directory and here you can see Xampp is already downloaded over here. So just simply double click on that installer. It's going to ask you for administrative privileges, click on yes, and you can minimize your browser for now and your download directory as well. So welcome to Xampp. Just click on OK. So our Xampp installation wizard rightly open, click on next. Here you have to keep everything as default and click on next. So it's going to create a Xampp folder and within that it's going to install all of its files. Totally fine. Click on next. So default language will be English. If you want to change to Dutch, you can do that. I'll proceed with English and click on next. Ready to be installed, click on next. And our installation is rightly began. And there you go. So you can see that our Xampp is now rightly installed. And also do you want to start control panel option is rightly selected. So let's click on finish. That's going to launch our Xampp control panel. So that's going to launch our Xampp control panel. Here I need to start both Apache and MySql. So you can see both Apache and MySql are properly up and running. If you are facing any issues over here, you can always refer to these two videos to fix any issues related to starting of MySql or Apache. Next thing that you need to do is you need to go to your C drive and you will get Xampp folder over here. So just go inside that Xampp folder and you will get htdocs folder over here. So just go inside that htdocs folder. Here you need to create a new project. So for that just simply click on new and click on folder. So let's give the folder name as PHP practice. Just go inside that folder, create a new text document and give the file name as hello world and change this file name extension with text to PHP. Hit enter. Just simply click on yes. Our file name extension is now rightly changed. So let's open this on any text editor. You can open it in Visual Studio Code, or if you have any other text editor like Google Anti-Gravity or Cursor, anything you have, you can open that. Again, how to install Visual Studio Code or Cursor or Google Anti-Gravity or any ID for that matter like Notepad++. So you'll get all these videos on our channel. Even I have video for Sublime Text as well. So you can check all those videos out on our channel. Here I'll just open it in a notepad. So here is our file open in notepad and I'll write a simple PHP code snippet over here. So Angular bracket PHP, close that and I'm going to echo hello world over here. Hello world. So just save this file. So file is now rightly saved and now if you go to your browser and open a new tab and just simply type localhost and then give a slash. And here you need to provide your folder name where you have this PHP file located. So remember we have created this PHP practice folder. So you can copy this folder name, just right click and click on rename and you can just simply right click and copy this folder path. Just copy that, provide that folder name over here, just right click and paste that folder name and just simply hit enter. So that's going to show you whichever files are present right on this PHP practice folder or directory. So you can see we have this file present on PHP practice folder. So that is what we have just now created, this hello world. So that is what it is showing also over here. So when you click on that, it's going to show you the output. So whatever you have written on your program, hello world, so it's going to show you that. So let's make this H as capital like hello world and save this file and just simply refresh it and now you see H is capital now, so hello world. So whatever basically you are writing on your program, you are going to get that output rendered on your browser. So that's how you run any PHP file locally on your system. So you need to have one server. So you are using this Xampp server, and using that Xampp server only, we are rendering our PHP scripts. So thing is, you need to put your projects folder on htdocs folder, and that's how you run any PHP program. So that's all for this video. If you're interested on Python, I highly recommend it follow the School Python project playlist. So all these videos are completely free, and detailed source code are also available on our official geekyscript.com website. So here you can see all these different source code are also available, so you can also check them out. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.